Well, hello there. Welcome once more to Crunchy's Kitchen. And if this is your first time stopping by, I'd like to say a very warm akwaba to you. So in the roast turkey video that I shared a few days ago, I mentioned how necessary it is for you to save your neck and giblets because they are very necessary in making broth, like good broth that can be used to make your gravy or any of your holiday cooking. You could make your sauces with it. I actually made this so I can make my stuffing with it. So I'm sharing the recipe with you. So all you will need for this recipe is your giblets, some garlic, carrot, onion, leek, and some celery stalk. To start, I'm just gonna chop my garlic. I'm not really chopping it to be fine. I'm just cutting through it, and I'll do the same with the celery. And once I'm done, I'm just chopping my leek as well. You just want big chunks. You're just trying to get the broth, like the stock, out of this combined with your turkey. And my onion, I'm just going to cut it up as well in big chunks. So basically everything is just big chunks. You just want to cook it and get the stock from it, the flavors from that together with the giblet and the neck. And the neck, I'm just trying to cut it up as much as I can. There. So to start, I just pour a little bit, about a tablespoon of olive oil into my pot. And once it's hot, the pot was heated. So once everything is hot, I'm just going to go ahead and add in my giblets. Give it a stir. You're trying to let it sear a little bit before you do anything. So I'm trying to sear this meat, and I will just stir it a little bit, and then I'll add some more seasoning to it. I added just a little bit of salt previously before I put them in here. So now I'm going to add more salt now. And I have my black pepper. This is freshly ground black peppers. So I add that in here. And at this point, as you can see, the meat is searing beautifully. It is just looking good. And now I'm going to add in my vegetables. So in no particular order, you're just going to put everything in here, all your vegetables in here. Give it a stir. Just look at the rich, beautiful colors in here. Add some water now, and I added 4 cups of water to this. Give it a stir, then cover to let this cook through. So I let this cook for about 35 to 40 minutes, and that is all you need to make your delicious homemade broth, which will be perfect to make your gravy, your stuffing, anything that you will have to cook that you will need broth. If you don't need it this Thanksgiving, you could save it and use it for another day. And the turkey, if you want to eat this, if you can eat it, I can eat my turkey next. So I went ahead later on and I used it to make something else. So 40 minutes later, my broth is done. I just strain it. So I just use a strainer to strain and get the water out of it. And the meat and vegetables I saved to make something else. And my broth is ready. It smells amazing. Tastes so good. And this has no MSG, no preservatives, and this is all the better for you. So this I cooled and froze it, and that is what tomorrow I'll be using to make my stuffing. Delicious. I hope you try this. And until I come your way next time with something delicious, be loving, be kind, be happy.